In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Quasimodo pattern in TradingView Pro. Before we dive into the platform, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this because we're just focusing on how to get the Quasimodo pattern indicator onto your chart so you can start working with it in your own trading. Once your chart is open, move your mouse to the top of the screen and look for the indicators button. This is usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar on TradingView. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the main indicator and strategy menu, which is where you can search for any built-in tools, community scripts, or custom indicators you want to add. When the indicators window pops up, you'll see a search box at the top. Click inside that search box to activate it. This is where you're going to type the name of the tool you want. Taking a second to click directly into the box helps make sure your keyboard input goes to the search field and not to the chart or somewhere else in the platform. Now, in that search box, type Quasimodo Pattern. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. You should see different indicators or scripts related to the Quasimodo pattern. Look through the list and choose the one that best matches what you're looking for. Once you find it, click on it once and TradingView will automatically add it to your active chart. You'll see the pattern start to appear directly on the price action where the conditions are met. If you want to customize how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of the chart, then open its settings. From there, you can usually change colors, line styles, labels, or sensitivity depending on what the script allows. This is helpful if you want the pattern to stand out clearly against your existing chart layout. To get the best experience and access all the features I'm using in this tutorial, make sure you're on TradingView Pro. If you haven't upgraded yet and you're interested in doing that, check the description below this video. I've included my affiliate link there for TradingView Pro. Using that link can give you access to the same tools and layout I'm using, and it also supports the channel at no extra cost to you. That's all you need to add the Quasimodo pattern in TradingView Pro and start integrating it into your analysis.